going to drag race Mimi. Alright, can send it, right? Spit on it. I have no idea what the I'm doing.
In second.
Taste?
You're a lot nicer a few minutes ago.
To the vlog and thank you for tuning in. I have had a lot of coffee this morning and I'm ready for a fun and adventurous day. Got my seatbelt on today and all. We are headed to EJ's Auto. What do you do, live in here?
You have no idea.
It's almost worse than my Prius.
Way worse. Ours is literally the cleanest it's been in months.
Kevin has no idea who I'm calling right now.
Hello, this is Mike.
Mike the Chevy dude. Kevin wearing white shoes again.
Always.
Here we are at EJ's Auto. We got the heads and crank back from the machine shop. Today we're gonna reassemble the 205 and see how far we can get. Hello.
How you doing?
Good morning. Good to
morning.
see you. Long sleeve shirt. That's awfully ballsy today. Good morning. It's E and J. And dad jokes. Okay. Wait, before we start, do we have any update on the turbo?
I tried calling him, but he didn't answer, so.
Okay. I think there's a reason they're avoiding us.
Keeping us in the dark.
Yeah. A little bit of drama. I hate drama, but right off the bat, I ordered some race bearings online, and it's my fault for not checking, but I was getting emails about, oh, review your purchase, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, okay, cool, so it's at the shop. I got here, the guys were like, so do you have the bearings? I was like, I thought you had them. They're like, no, nothing came in. So we're calling every shop we can, possible local to here where we are to see if we can possibly get something today, because you guys, I drove 2 hours to assemble this. We're gonna see what we can do today to still get that done. Hey Gwen, it's Amelia Hartford, how are you?
How's it going? I know we haven't talked, so.
No, I know. Well, I kind of just ran into a little bit of a hiccup. So I was gonna just assemble my engine, just get, you know, some race rod bearings and main bearings to just assemble everything back together, because after we pulled everything apart, we realized everything was good, fortunately. So I ordered them online a month ago, and I thought they came into the shop, and they never arrived. They were never shipped out. So I'm calling to see if there's any chance in the world that you guys have some in stock.
Which bearings do you need? Rod bearings or?
Rod and main, yeah.
Is it standard size?
Yeah.
Standard size, right?
Yes.
I might have it. Can I give you a call back?
If you guys have them, I'm about an hour and a half away from you guys. I'll just start heading there now if you guys have it while you have your meeting.
Let me walk the back, okay?
Okay.
Might have found some as well.
Oh, okay, cool. Is it closer?
10 miles.
Oh, okay. So we got two people coming in clutch for us. EDO, he totally just walked out of his own meeting to be like, let me see if I have them in stock for you. EDO Performance has a set in stock. It's about an hour drive. The people local don't have them. They can't get them today. So I'm going to drive right now to Long Beach in order to buy these bearings so that we can still do this today. I'll see you guys in 2 hours.
All right. Okay. That's fine.
All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Adios. I'm in a Prius. I'm invisible. So we're taking the BRZ, right?
No, absolutely not.
It is amazing how much EDO carries in stock, and this isn't just some like sappy plug for them, but it really blows my mind that anything I need, I can just drive down there and they will have it. So we're gonna drive down to Long Beach right now, go pick up some bearings for Poop Turd and get this assembled. So you like how clean my car is?
Your car is so incredibly clean. I like the Ecrew hat.
Thanks. I kind of got a small head there.
Yeah, it's a little bit. I gotta adjust it and cutting off circulations to my giant brain.
Yeah, sure. Just go ahead and readjust my hat. You like it though?
My hat now. Yeah. Why, you gonna teach me how to wear it?
No, I was gonna say August 17th, the merch goes live.
Really?
Yes.
It goes live for me right now.
And she never saw the hat again. Since I don't want to race on these streets, why don't you go ahead and like voice over some like tire screeching as we pull out. All right, ETA 1 hour. Quick check. Prius is falling on its face right now.
What are you stopping for? We gotta go.
It's a stop sign.
Go, go, get out.
Made it. All right. right, we made it here to EDO Performance in record-breaking time. What's up, man?
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing great.
Good to see you. You guys are saving my life once again. It always seems to be like day of that I'm like, oh my god, I need something. Do you guys have it? And you always have it.
We try to keep everything in stock. Got some bearings here, so hopefully you can get those in.
Awesome. So these are the ACL. We got rod and main bearings. And then you guys also threw in something a little special for
so
me.
we threw in a little Tomica racing parts for you. Belt guide there, and the air pump delete kit.
Cool.
Bolts, of course. Nice and pink. I don't know how you feel about that, but
I think you know how I feel about that.
all right.
All right.
Hopefully everything goes together, goes in good, and we, don't run into any issues. But
Yeah. Should have her all assembled today, so thank you so much.
awesome. Yeah. If you need anything else, you know where to come.
Oh yeah. We got the goods. So they had the bearings in stock, purchased the bearings, and they also threw in Tomioka timing belt guide and also some Tomioka air pump deletes, so. Hola. Come bearing gifts. Adios.
Bye, Ecrew.
Kevin had to get out of here. He's got a house to go look at. I have an engine to finally start assembling. So my engine actually doesn't run an air pump, so we're not gonna need the air pump deletes. We were unsure over at EDO, but now we know for sure. We'll probably run the timing belt guide for good measures, but this is what we want now.
You only have the air pump when it's a WRX Forester from 2006 and up.
Okay, or STI.
Or STI 2007 and up.
This is my first time assembling a block. To share a very touching and deep story of my own. From my time in Indiana, I learned from my mentor Booch regarding piston rings, or anything for that matter. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Of the piston rings though, if I were gonna do piston rings, I may as well have done new pistons. If I was gonna do new pistons, I may as well have done new rods. And since we have the black, we may as well close the deck. But remember, this is just temporary until we get something bigger, better, and stronger. I'm trying to do thumbnail. Jesse's over there.
They're gonna be, who's that? I'm not clicking it.
Oh, they're gonna click on it. The curly locks is what's gonna do people in. To torque our last set of rods. Those are slippery. They're like slippery little suckers. Got assembly lube all over your hands and you're trying to like barely thread on a little nut. That sounded dirty. Alright, so basically we're gonna do the same to the other side. I got some bearings here I'm gonna put into the block and then we'll silicone the two pieces together. Yay flat 4. Gaskets over there. And you also bought race bearings so you guys can always keep them in stock now too.
Exactly.
That's smart.
That we want to do now. Keep a set for each motor in stock now.
Then people will be calling you for them. See this? We're almost done.
Almost.
Yeah. And now I just need the key. I'll turn it right over.
Eventually.
Yeah. One day. It's about that time where all the guys are getting off their other jobs to come work on some Subarus here. Peanut Gallery's almost here.
Which one?
Victor.
Oh.
Peanut Gallery. Because he talks. It's funny that you guys don't know this, but when Americans go to Mexico, they can't drink the water. Did you know that?
They can't?
No.
Why?
Because they get really sick. It's called Montezuma's Revenge. So I accidentally did that and I almost had to go to the hospital.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like
that
really
sucks.
bad.
In the bottle? Or?
No, you can drink it in the bottle, there's no tap water. It feels like battery acid and like a lot of other things that'll spare you guys the details. Sucks. sucks to suck. It's your 5th engine.
I'm used to it. Yeah, eventually you get used to it.
I like how this is just a thing. I'm a Subaru owner. Yeah, what engine are you on? Sir Armand's been racing literally home from work every day for God knows how long, the same Evo, and you've always lost.
I finally took him.
Today was the day that you took him.
One for the team.
And you're running the same setup. You just want bigger turbo.
Yeah, 16G.
Okay.
You wanna feel it?
Yeah, sure, why not? You are running exactly the same setup. So after these race bearings, I could just go 16G turbo and walk some Evos on the freeway, right? Maybe I lose the twin scroll, boys. Let's see how she pulls. I think you got a little rubbing there. I do miss the sound though of the rumble.
Yeah.
I do miss the rumble.
Who doesn't love the rumble?
I know.
What makes Subaru a Subaru?
You just dynoed this yesterday?
Friday.
Friday? But what did it dyno at to the wheels?
294. I mean 394.
Oh, 394, okay. Damn, so that 40 horsepower makes all the difference from the 16G versus my twin scroll. That was a noticeable difference.
Do you feel it?
Oh, yeah. Was it an Evo 9?
10.
Evo 10. You're now called the Evo Slayer. That's your new nickname. How long have you been waiting to beat this guy?
I think a year.
A year? Did you get the look on his face? Or are you too far gone?
It was priceless. He said, I'll be back.
Shows up tomorrow, his turbo sticking out the hood.
All right. E85, because he was in E85, I think.
4Gs are amazing. I bet that was his first and only engine too.
I think it is, but no, the tranny.
All right, no more twin scroll. We're going 16G. We're not playing games here anymore, guys.
Last motor was destroyed. Pieces like this big of metal in my manifold.
How?
It's because I had a back coil. Back coil, so it was misfire. I keep going on it. I keep going on
Well, that's
it.
your first problem.
And explosion.
Oh, man.
That's it.
All the time, he kept stepping on it.
Yeah.
So I should be able to, with the new bearings in, I should be able to hold the power of a 16G.
Easily, yeah.
I think up to like 400 the bottom ends are known to be safe for.
If you want to be safe, yeah.
Yeah.
Around 400.
I think by the fact that it's been how many months since we sent the turbo back? It's been about a month, something like that, and we still haven't heard anything from them. Sus. I wonder what the twin 20G feels like. Then we're messing with fire. Literally, this in flames. Well, we don't really know until they get back to us about what's going on, but right now we just haven't heard anything, so tough to say. Short block is torqued and ready to go. We're gonna put the heads on now, and we're one step closer. I'll probably end up stopping right after putting the heads on. I feel like that's just a good stopping point, especially with having to run all over literally Southern California to go pick up bearings and take care of that this morning. So we lost a little time. I have a screening with Super Street for the new Hobbs and Shaw movie that I'm gonna go to after this. So I'm gonna book it back to LA. So it'll be a good stopping point, and then tomorrow I'll come back and we'll finish buttoning up basically all the dressings and get it ready to at least put inside a poop turd. Popo turd.
Popo turd.
There we go. Miss JDM. Wow, they cleaned it and everything.
Yep.
Whoa, that looks great. Brand spanking new. Heads are officially on the block. That was a lot of fun. I feel like I was kind of in a trance most of the time, just making sure everything's like enjoying torquing it and putting like little bearings here and little stuff there. But yeah, I enjoyed it.
Nice job.
You too. Now, I wouldn't have been able to do it with the help of you. You guys, EJ's Auto, they really know what they're doing, and I wouldn't go to anyone else for my Subaru needs at this point. As you know, because this is where Poop Turd basically lives, because I keep blowing her. Gonna keep coming back to life. Every time we kill her,
We'll bring it back to life.
There we go.
No matter what happens.
Same time tomorrow?
Yeah, same time.
See you then.
All right,
Good
take
work,
care.
champ. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try not to race any Evos in my Prius.
And your Prius?
Yeah, it's quick. You better look out. You better put that 16G to work.
Oh.
So we're headed right now to the premiere. We're gonna go watch the Hobbs and Shaw. I'm really excited. We're a little behind. How are you doing?
Feeling good.
Another day in
Other than
paradise?
carrying your stuff, which I don't know why I'm doing that, but
Thank you.
feel great.
Because you're a nice man. So the Subi engine has been assembled.
It's gonna break like first crank.
Oh, come on.
It's gonna break first crank, dude.
No, it's
a
not.
Subaru. Is it an LS?
No.
Is it a 2J?
Shut up.
Then it has no hope.
But on a real note, it's been assembled.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing for turbo?
I don't know yet.
Did you put forged anything
Why do you
in it?
gotta put me on the spot like that?
Did you
know
put-
I don't have a turbo. I have not heard from the turbo shop, from the people who rebuilt my turbo
You know
yet,
how
so
am.
I
I'm just
don't
like,
know.
I'm always like, what's the thing that's like stopping everything?
Well, we're not there yet, so when we cross that bridge, I will tread those waters.
Did you put forged internals in it?
What? No. I put aftermarket bearings in it.
Ooh, that's definitely worth 10 horsepower.
Don't ask me if I did the piston rings.
Did you do the piston rings?
I said don't ask me.
Oh. Did you do new rods too?
Of course. Don't you just love Hollywood?
I really like Hollywood. It's just a dump. It's like a total dump.
It is. There's like a showgirl sign right behind me that I'm staring at. Trying to pick up some ladies next to a tattoo parlor.
I do have a real question now.
Yeah.
So it's like built engine
Yeah, right.
with nothing built at all, right?
Dude, I could totally say built.
Fully built engine.
Oh, yeah.
And put race bearings in it.
Yeah.
They're not even race bearings. They're just bearings.
Okay, no, but they are actual like race bearings.
What's the difference between race bearings and OEM bearings?
They're stronger.
Says who?
Says the pamphlet that I bought them off of.
All right. What was that for?
So apparently, you can't bring cameras into movie theaters.
You definitely can't bring that camera in. You should try though, just to troll them.
No, I don't have to walk
Like,
back
you
to
guys
my
don't mind if I
car.
bring this in, right? They'd be like, it's a movie theater pre-screening. Like, no, I won't film. I'm just bringing this camera that's fully capable of totally filming and pirating this video.
So I guess we gotta close out here then.
Where's my hat?
I don't know. This hat feels like Kevin's been wearing it because it's a different size. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and close out here. We're at the screening. We're gonna just, I guess, not film because apparently it may come across like I'm pirating this film and trying to sell it on the internet, but if
at
I
all.
were to hit a girl, no, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much for watching. That was assembling the block. Tomorrow we'll be putting all the accessories on her and figuring out what we're gonna do for a turbo. Comment below if you want me to keep twin scroll or go single scroll and keep that Subaru rumble. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Ecrew, we out here with love.
Bye.
Merch August 27th.
Oh, you totally threw me off on that one. That was like, you know, the quarterback like does like the fake snap and they like jump the line. That was me.
Get him! I'm gonna like try parkour over instead.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.